Surnice Statkova, and welcome to my class Draw an Expressive Ink and Watercolor Mandala. In this class we will focus on drawing with nibs, ink and watercolors. I will guide you step by step through the process and I will show you my way of drawing mandalas. I will share tips and tricks and some basic techniques for drawing with ink and watercolors. For the class project, we will make two separate drawings. First one will be using black medium. You will decide whether to use nibs and ink or pens. And the second one will be with watercolors. Next, we will mix them in Photoshop and receive very different results. So join me in this class and let's have fun!